I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Amber. I'm a friend of NewMind, just like you. This year, because of the pandemic, we're not doing the open house that we would normally do and invite all of you to. So I'm here to sneak into the office and make a hedgehog cheese ball, and I'll show you how to make your own at home. Let's start with the ingredients. The base of our hedgehog cheese ball starts with a spice blend that's a lot like French onion soup. So we're going to go ahead and mix up our spices. We're going to start with some dehydrated onion, garlic powder, dried parsley, dried thyme, paprika, I like Spanish smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Now that we have our spice blend made, we're going to pour it into our mixing bowl. We're going to add 2 softened bricks of cream cheese. Try to get them in the bowl and not on the counter. And we have 2 cups of extra sharp shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to go ahead and start our mixer up. It's important to really mix your cheese well. You'd like your hedgehog cheese ball to be as smooth as possible. Some of us may have put on a pandemic 15. If this is the case for you, you may want to consider stirring your cheese by hand. If not, go ahead with your mixer. Now that we've properly mixed our cheese, we're going to scrape it off of our beater. And refrigerate it for 2 hours until it's nice and cool. Sorry. That was not stop it. So now we have our cooled cheese mixer that I just pulled out of the refrigerator. And we're going to begin the shaping of our cheese ball. We use some parchment paper here. In case you're accident prone like me, it's best to cover the countertop, maybe yourself as well, just to try to keep your mess to a minimum. We're going to try to shape our cheese into a perfectly round ball, or as close as we can get it. Once you have that round ball, you're going to kind of use your fingertips to push one side of it forward. And we're going to try to get as close to a teardrop shape as we can to mimic a real hedgehog. It's okay if you don't get this perfect. We're going to end up eating it. I like to use a fancy platter to plate up any of my holiday treats. In keeping with good sanitation, I'm now going to wash my hands and return to you shortly. Now for the best part of our cheese ball. We're going to decorate it to look like a hedgehog. So I've got some slivered almonds, some dried black beans, and an assortment of raisins. I'm going to start with my slivered almonds, and I'm going to use them to make my hedgehog spikes. I'm going to start just past where his face is pointy, and one at a time, stick my slivered almonds into my cheese ball to make my hedgehog spikes. Now that all of our hedgehog spines are assembled, we're going to use our black beans and raisins to give it eyes and a nose. Turn it towards you so you can really kind of get to know your new friend. Select 2 black beans that are approximately the same size and carefully push them into the face of your hedgehog. Just like this. Now that the eyes are in, I'm going to select my smallest little black raisin. I think I'm actually going to cut this one in half and attach it to the tip of my hedgehog's nose. Now that we've attached our facial features, our hedgehog is complete. Thanks for making a hedgehog cheese ball with us, and happy holidays from New Mind Group. Okay, I'm gonna collect myself briefly.
Sure.
Now that I've dropped the mixer. Really don't think I could have done worse there.
No, that was fine.
Somehow have tinsel all over myself now.